So good morning, welcome to Eamcet zone. So now we have been discussing the problems on progressions related to the 10th standard, both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and CBSE classes. So in the last session actually we left this question, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So that need to be addressed now. So let us discuss this question now. So solution. First let us write the multiples for which lies between 10 and 250. Let us write. That means multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250. 10 and 250 are 11, 12, 16, 18, 22 and so on dash dash. Last one. How to write last one means divide 250 by 4. 4 6 ja 24. So 10, 4 2 ja 8. Remainder will be 2. From 250 subtract this 2. That will be the last number which is divisible by 4. That means 250 minus 2. So that will be 248. That means in this last term will be 248. That means multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250 are 12, 16, 18, 22, 248, which are in arithmetic progression. Now what we need to find out, how many number of multiples are there, number we need to find out. So that means this is the last term or an. So now n value we need to find out. So that means here this 12 is the first term, a is equal to 12. The common difference will be obviously 4 itself only. A2 minus A1, that is 16 minus 12, you get 4. But according to the problem, we have the last term means an equals to 248. That implies an is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 248. So we know a value, here a value is 12 and d value is 4. Let us substitute here. So now we get like this, 12 plus n minus 1 times d is 4 equal to 248. Now take 12 that side. Therefore n minus 1 times 4 equal to 248 minus 12. We get now 232. Am I correct now? 236. Sorry, 236. 236. We need n minus 1 value. N minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by 4. 4 5 ja 20, 36, 4 9 ja 59. So n equals to 59 plus 1. So therefore 60. So therefore hence there are hence there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. 10 and 250. Let us move to the next question. 17th question. Okay. Right now, let us move to the 17th question. For what value of n, this is very important question. For what value of n are the nth terms, Lakshmi, good morning, nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on dash dash, and 3, 10, 7 and so on dash dash equal. This is the question. First read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Right? So let us read the question here. For what value of nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on, 3, 10, 17 and so on are equal. So that means let us analyze the problem. The nth term of first AP is equal to the nth term of second AP. Then find out the n value. So that is our answer. For what value of nth terms of both APs are equal. Nth term of first AP, second AP. In that the common term will be there. The common term we need to find out. So let us proceed like this. First, let us consider first AP. Let first term is equal to say A1, that is 63. We know the first term of the first AP. This is the first AP. Now common difference. Common difference is equal to D1 you say. That is A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. 65 minus 63. Whose value is 2. Now nth term find out. Here nth term in first AP. An is equal to, what is the formula? A1 plus n minus 1 into D1. Let us substitute. A1 means 63 plus n value we do not know. N minus 1, D1 is 2. Let us simplify. 63 plus 2n minus 2. This can be written as 2n. 63 minus 2 is 61. This is the nth term of first AP. Say equation 1. Now let us proceed to the second AP. Second arithmetic progression. So let first term say A2. Next common difference of second AP. Say D2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Go to the previous page. Here 3, 10, 17 and dash dash. Second AP is what actually? 3, 10, 17 and so on. That means A2 equals to 3. D2 is equal to 10 minus 3, whose value is 7. Now here also we can find out nth term. An is equal to A2 first term plus n minus 1 into common difference. Common difference is d2. So here first term is 3 plus n minus 1 times 7. Let us simplify. 3 plus 7n minus 7. That is 7n minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Say equation 2. According to the problem, here terms are equal. According to the problem. According to the problem. According to the problem, equation 1 equal to equation 2. So that means 2n plus 61 equals to 7n minus 4. So take 2n this side minus 4 this side. 61 plus 4 equals to 7n minus 2n. So that means 5n equals to 65. Therefore n equals to 65 by 5. 13. So that means 13th term of both ABs are common terms. So that means hence for n equals to 13, n equal to 13, the nth terms of two APs are same or equal. Hence the problem solved. Lakshmi, are you there? So let us move to the 18th question. 18th question. Determine the AP arithmetic progression whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. This is the question. So all of you read the question carefully, my dear children. Please, first of all, you need to read comprehensively the question. You need to understand what is given and what need to be evaluated. That we need to keep in mind. So that means actually what is given actually is, remember, third term is 16 given. And relation 7th term is equal to 5th term plus 2. That means 7th term is equal to 5th term more than 12 of 5th term. 5th term plus 12. Then we need to determine arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means either first 2 terms or 3 terms of the arithmetic progression we need to find out. In order to find out arithmetic progression, we require the only 2 values. What are the values? First term A and its common difference D, so that we can find out the arithmetic progression. So now with the help of the given condition here, what is the solution now? We can follow like this. Given, see, third term is equal to 16. So that means third term means A3 is equal to 16. So we have the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I correct? This is the nth term to find nth term in arithmetic progression. This is the formula to find out nth term of an arithmetic progression also we can say. So now A3 means we get like this, A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 60. We get A plus 2D equals to 60. Say this will be equation 1. And one more relation. Now seventh term equals to fifth term plus 12. So that implies we can write A7 equals to A5 plus 12. Let us write A7 and A5 with the help of this formula. So now the A7 can be written like this. A plus 7 minus 1 6D, A5 A plus 5 minus 1 4D equals to 12. Here sorry, plus 2, that is sorry, absolutely sorry. A plus 4D plus 12. Very interesting, A gets cancelled. Take 4D this side. 6D minus 4D equals to 12. So now 2D equals to 12, D equals to 12 upon 2. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. D value is 6. Therefore, D is equal to 6. Now, arithmetic progression, we need to write it now. Arithmetic progression, we need to write. So, welcome you all. Okay. Hence, required arithmetic progression. This is our aim. Required arithmetic progression is follows like this. First term. Here, first term we need to find out. Oh, sorry. First, now we need to find out first term. Put D is equal to 6 in equation 1. We get A. So that means what is the first equation? A plus 2D is equal to 16. That implies A plus 2D, 2 times 6 equal to 16. So that means A plus 12 equals to 60. A equals to 16 minus 12, whose value is 4. Therefore, first term is 4. Hence, required arithmetic progression is A, first term 4, 4 plus D, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 22, and so on dash. So, in this way we can solve the problem. So now 19th question. Find the sixth term. Find the sixth term from end of AP. From end of AP arithmetic progression 17, 14, 11, dash 40. Here last term is 40. This is very important problem. Very important problem. My dear children, These kind of models you need to practice more. It may be given for 4 marks in the examination. Find the sixth term from the end, not sixth term of an arithmetic progression you are asked. Don't get confusion. You may get a lot of confusion regarding to this problem. Sixth term, see the keyword, end. Not sixth term, not from the beginning. It from end. You need from last also you can say. So how to find out that one? First of all, this we need to divide into the two types. First question we need to raise in our mind like this. Which term of AP is 40? This is first question. That means with the help of this n value we need to find out. From this we get n value. After that, sixth term from end equal to n minus 6 plus 1th term from beginning. This is the concept we need to follow. This is the plan. First question is, see, which term of AP 17, 14, 11 dash 40 is 40. So that means AN is equal to 40. N value we need to find out. Next, sixth term from end is equal to n minus this 6. Whatever n value will get it. Add 1. That term from the beginning. That means AN formula you need to use it after that. Okay, let us do it now. First of all, solution. Here given A equals to 17 and D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 14 minus 17 whose value is minus 3, and next AN equals to 40, N value is equal to question mark. This is the first step. So AN equals to, we can write A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 40. 17 plus N minus 1 times D is minus 3 equal to 40. So N minus 1 into negative 3 equal to, sorry, this is minus 40, written wrong. This is minus 40. So minus 40, this is minus 40, right. Minus 40 minus 17. This will be n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 57. N minus 1 is equal to minus 57 upon minus 3. So 57 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 19 ja, equal to 19. So N equals to 19 plus 1. That means 20. That means there are 20 terms in the given arithmetic progression. This is the 20th term. Now we need to find out 6th term from end. That is very important. Please remember. So now write down 6th term from last or end. 6th term from end equals to n. N means what? 20 minus 6 plus 1th term from beginning. That means 20 minus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1, 15th term. So we need to find out 15th term. 15th term from beginning. That is equal to A15. A15 is equal to, you can write A plus 14D. So now What is A value? A value is equal to 17. D value is equal to minus 3. 17 plus 14 into minus 3. 17 minus 42. So 42 minus 17. 5 to 25. This will be minus 25. This is the answer, minus 25. So my dear children, you practice these questions. These questions are very, very important. Let me give one more question, you try. One more question I will give. You try this question. The 20th question. Find the 11th term from last, or we can say end, no problem. Both keywords may be there in the question. Last of the AP arithmetic progression 10, 7, 4 and so on dash dash minus 62. Can you do it? Can you do it? Just analyze the problem first of all. So how to analyze this problem? First, which of the term of AP 10, 7, 4 and so on minus 62 is minus 62? And after that n value we need to find out. Next, the term 11th term from end is equal to n minus 11 plus 1th term. That's all we need to find out. So let us proceed. Let us proceed. So now the solution. Here in arithmetic progression, A equals to 10. This is the first term. So now the common ratio you find out. D equals to A2 minus A1. 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. This is an, nth term. An is equal to minus 62. First our idea is n. This is the first step. N value we need to find out. See, we have an is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d equals to negative 62. A value is 10 plus n minus 1 times d. D is minus 3 is minus 62. N minus 1 times minus 3 equals to negative 62 negative 10 or minus 10. So n minus 1 into negative 3 equals to negative 72. So we have n minus 1 equals to negative 72 by negative 3. So 72 upon 3. What do you get now? What do you get? Lakshmi, are you there? What is 72 by 3? If you divide 72 by 3, what do you get it? What do you get it? So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 12, 4 ja, 24 you will be getting. So that implies n equals to 24 plus 1. That means 25. There are 25 terms in the given AP. The last term is 25th term. But what we need? So therefore, which is the term we need to find out? 11th term. 11th term from last or end equals to n 25 minus 11 plus 1th term from beginning. From beginning. 25 minus 11 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15th term. 15th term from beginning. That means A15 you need to find out. A15 is equal to A plus 14D. Let us substitute. What is A value? A value is 10. D value is -3. Okay, 10 plus 14 times -3. So 10 minus 42. So that means you will get minus 32 is the answer. The 11th term from last or end is minus 32. Can I give one more question to you? Can I give one more question to you? Will you try? Because these questions are very important. Now you need to tell me the answer. I will wait. 21st question. 21st question. Are you ready? 21st question. Find the 10th term from last, or we can say end, of an arithmetic progression 4, 9, 14 and so on dash 254. Okay, solve this question. Solve this question. This question is very, very important question. Okay, see, 10th term from the last, this is the keyword of the problem, of an AP 4, 9, 14 and so on 254. That means the first question we need to raise in our mind that which term of this arithmetic progression is 254. N value we need to find out. After that, the 10th term from the last or end equals to n minus 10 plus 1th term from the beginning we need to find out. That's all. These two we need to keep in mind so that this problem easily we can crack, we can solve. So first solution. Here this is A equals to 4. Common difference A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 4, 5. And let us say here nth term is last term 254. First, basically n is question mark, we do not know. So now let us recall the nth term formula, that implies A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 254. Let us substitute A value 4, D value minus 5. So 4 plus n minus 1 into 5 equal to 254. Take 4 that side. N minus 1 into 5 equals to 254 minus 4. You get 250. So now n minus 1 can be evaluated. 250 divided by 5. If you divide 250 by 5, how much do you get it? How much do you get? So 5 1 ja, 5 50 ja. This will be 50. So we need to evaluate n value. 50 plus 1, 51. That means in this arithmetic progression there are 51 terms. This is the 51st term of this arithmetic progression. But we need 10th term from end, we need to find out. So that means 10th term from last or end equal to n is 51 minus 10 plus 1th term from beginning. So that equals to 51 minus 10 is 41, 41 plus 1, 42nd term from beginning. Therefore, A42 we need to find out. A42 means A plus 41D. Let us substitute respective values of A and D so that we can find out 10th term from the end. So what is A? A is 4, D is 5. So A is 4, D is 5. 41 times 5. 4 plus 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 205. 205 plus 4, 209. This is the answer. So can I give one more question to you? Because this problem is very, very important, so that we shall discuss one more problem also. #23 problem. Find the 6th term from end of the AP arithmetic progression 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, dash dash, minus 31. Okay, can you solve this problem? Lakshmi, are you there? Okay, let us solve this problem. See, find the 6th term from end or from last of arithmetic progression, this one. This is the nth term. N value we need to find out. This is the first term and common difference we need to find out first of all. See the solution. Here A equals to 5. Now D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 2 minus 5 minus 3. We do not know which term of this arithmetic progression equal to minus 35. Say AN minus 31. N value question mark. So now we have AN stands for A plus N minus 1 into D equal to negative 31. So A is 5 plus N minus 1 times D is negative 3 equal to negative 31. So now N minus 1 times negative 3 equals to negative 31 minus 5. This is minus 36. So now we have n minus 1 equals to negative 36 upon negative 3. That is 36 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 2 ja. 12 you will be getting. So now n equals to 12 plus 1, 13. Am I correct now? N equals to 13. But we do not require the n value, but we require sixth term from the end. So now we can proceed like this. Therefore, sixth term from end or last, this is a keyword, equals to n. N means, okay, Lakshmi, where had you been after a long time? 13 minus 6 plus 1, the term from beginning. Beginning. Okay, from beginning. This equals to 13 minus 7, eighth term. Eighth term from beginning. Beginning. That means A8. A8 is equal to A plus 7D we can write. Go back to the previous page. What is A? A is 5. D is negative 3. A is 5. D is negative 3. So 5 plus 7 times negative 3. 5 minus 21. That will be minus 60. This is the answer. This is the answer. Let us change spelling. This spelling is wrong. Beginning. This is the spelling of beginning. Right. Right. I hope you might have followed this question. Right. Next, one more question. 24th question. 24th question. 24th question. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of an AP. Same given AP. First read the question carefully. This question. All of you read the question carefully. What is given and what need to be evaluated? So what do we find? You see the question actually. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms is 24. That means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. This is one thing. Next, the sum of 6th and 10th. That means A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Then first three terms. First three terms of arithmetic progression means A, first term, second term, third term we need to find out. First term is A, second term A2, third term A3 we need to find out. So as to find out first three terms of an AP means we need A value and D value. So first let us proceed like this now. Solution. Here given fourth term, sum means plus, eighth term equal to 24. That implies A4 fourth term, eighth term A8 equals to 24. A4 let us write A plus 3D, A8 is A plus 7D equals to 24. A plus A 2A, 7D plus 3D 10D equals to 24. Take 2 common here. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, A plus 5D equal to 24. Now A plus 5D equals to 24 by 2. Obviously you get 12. Am I correct? That implies A plus 5D equals to 12. We get an equation in terms of A comma D. Say equation 1. So now what is there as for the second condition? The sum of the 6th and 10th term is equal to 44. Sum of the 6th term and 10th term. So that means 6th term plus 10th term equal to 44 given. So that implies A6 plus A10 equal to 44. A6 is A plus 5D, A10 is A plus 9D equal to 44. A plus A 2A, 9D plus 5D is 14D equal to 44. So 2 common, A plus 7D equal to 44. A plus 7D equals to 44 divided by 2. That will be 22. That implies A plus 7D equals to 22. Say equation 2. Now you might have got an idea. What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do, Nana? Do we have any idea? Do we have any idea? It's very simple. Solving these two equations. Solving these two equations. 1 and 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. We get A and D. Having been evaluated A and D, we can find out required 3 terms of an arithmetic progression. So just go back to the previous page. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Yes, solving 1 and 2. A plus 7D equals to 22. This is second equation. What is the first equation? What is the first equation? A plus 5D equals to 12. A plus 5D equals to 12. Now what shall we do? Yes, we need to subtract minus, minus and minus. A cancel, 2D equals to, we get 10. Obviously the D value will be 10 upon 2, we have 5. Therefore D equals to 5. Common difference obtained. Now put D is equal to 5 in equation 1. That implies A plus 7 into 5 equal to 22. A plus 35 equals to 22. A equals to 22 minus 35 minus 30. Therefore A equals to negative 13. We know A value and D value. We can find out the 3 terms of AB. We can find out. So therefore 3 terms of an AB are: first term A1 is equal to A, that is minus 13, A2 second term A plus D minus 13 plus D. What is the D value? D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. So that will be minus 8. We need one more term. A plus 2D minus 13 plus 2 times 5 minus 13 plus 10, that is minus 3. Hence first 3 terms of an AB are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So in this way we can find out the first 3 terms of an AB. Okay, thank you, bye bye. So tomorrow we shall have the class in this tomorrow same timings. So that means 10:30, tomorrow morning 10:30 you have the class. Thank you, bye bye. See you, have a nice day. Share to your friends also.